Hello, everyone. In this video, I will give you some tips for Revel programming projects. This is for the Java Revel programming projects. I'm going to open my Java book. So I'm going to go open the contents of the book. Now let's go to chapter 1. So these are the programming projects. At the end of each chapter, we have programming projects. So we're going to open the first one. All right, so this is the programming project 1. So we're going to open it. And now, and this is what you see here. So here, display 3 messages and write a program that displays, welcome to Java, welcome to computer science, programming is fun. So this is the class name, exercise 01_01. Every program here we have a class name. So when you write your code and you have to write the class name and using 01_01. So that's the class name. Now, this is a really simple one. So you're going to write your main method and then you write the rest of the code. All right. If you need help, so there is a place and you can get the hint for every Revel programming project. So you just go right here, and this is the frequently asked question site. So go to this site. So here is the site. So this is the important information for Revel exercises, and you can read it once and then come back to read it more if you have more questions. But at least now read it once. So here, the first note box here, you can get the hints for selected quizzes and programming projects. So click on this. So you're going to get the some end of section quizzes. So this is just not really many. So this is some of this. So there's only 3 here, but for end of chapter assignments, so these are the programming projects, and we have the hint for every programming project. So there's a hint right here, and for the first one, so here is the hint. Please check your spelling of the words carefully. It is case sensitive. The words are separated by exactly 1 space. All right, so now it is the recommended that you write your code on your desktop. After you finish it, and you copy and paste it to the check exercise tool. So I'm going to show you here is the check exercise tool. So this is the one here is okay. So I'm going to open the check exercise tool. It's right here. All right. So this is for exercise 01_01, and you can paste your code right here. Okay. Now you you can test your code here is check automatic check. So if you misspell this, it's welcome to Java. So you misspell it as lowercase w. So if you click on this automatic check, you are going to get this message here. Your program is incorrect, and here is your output, and this is the correct output here, and the correct output. So here's the correct output. And the correct output is right here. You compare your output with the correct output character by character. You're going to see it's case sensitive. So this is W, it doesn't match. So you go back to finish, and this is the correct this W, and then do this automatic check. And so now everything's fine. So now go back to Revel, and you're going to submit everything right here. Now, please note that if you have a mistake here and you click submit, and you're going to get this message. It doesn't really help you much. It says checking output. Your standard output is not what was expected. Well, it doesn't give you any hint. So that's why I recommend you to use the check exercise tool and to debug your code before submitting to Revel. So now you submit to Revel right here, and this is the Revel. You fix this error and you submit again. So this is correct. So again, in summary, you need to look at the hint from this hint website. And these are the hint. I got the feedback from students, and it addressed most frequently made mistakes. And so it's addressed in the hint page. And you develop your code on your site and use the check exercise tool to debug your code. After you pass your check exercise tool and submit to Revel. If your code passed the check exercise tool, but it failed when you submit to Revel, and so please send me your code and with a message, and I will take a look. Thank you very much. Goodbye.